Will you check his cock?
Huh?
Will you check his cock?
Will I?
Yeah.
Dive in. Oh, I don't want to.
Don't be weird about it. Just.
Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today's going to be a special day. It's always a special day on this channel, isn't it? Look, the weather's great. We're on the motorcycle. We're about to eat food with some friends. Special day. Doesn't get more special, actually. Not only is today special, but we're going to a special place to eat. We're going to a place, it's one of a kind. Might be the only type in all of California. But first, let's meet up with some friends. All right, all right, all right. Good to see you, sir.
Bring it in.
All right. Brappy the clown, that's not the clown.
What's up?
When's the last time we rode together?
When I rode that and you were on your blue thing, or it's been like a year and a half.
Long time. Yeah, well, good to see you, man. Have you ever been to Laos?
The country?
Yeah.
Only 5 times.
How about you? Laos?
Heard of it.
Have you ever had Laotian food?
You're from the ocean?
How about you?
Nope.
There's a restaurant in Corona. It might be the only Laotian restaurant in the whole entire country. Anyway, it's like a barbecue spot, man. So it's all meats and rices and stuff. Should be good.
I love it.
I figure first let's go see Bob, grab a soda, head to Corona, eat like kings, and finish the day. All right. I've known Travis for quite some time now. We really don't ride street that much together, but dirt we used to ride often. And he would take these huge ass adventure bikes and just do things with them that I couldn't even do on my little tiny ass Honda. All right, we're gonna race to the other side of the intersection. Got them all.
One of these days, I'm going to learn how to go fast across an intersection.
Brappy the clown is usually a ball of mischief, but he's taking it easy today, and I'm not entirely sure why. I think he's on a rented bike, maybe that's why. So I'll tell you a little bit more about the place we're going to, just not yet. Let's go get a soda, let's relax, ease into the day, and then we'll get in. You know how I like to do. It's been a long time since I've ridden with the clown. I think the last time we rode together, might have had him jump out of an airplane. You know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you about the place we're going to today, which is Crazy Kai's Laotian Barbecue. Crazy Kai's, established in 2008 in Corona by a super motivated ex-Papa John's manager who goes by the name of Muskie. Now, with Muskie being from Laos, living in California, he figured out real quick it's a real lack of cuisine from his hometown country, Laos. So he put his ideas to paper and opened up a restaurant celebrating all the famous dishes of Laos. This place has been open since 2008 and he's created quite the little empire, man. He's got a perfect rating on Yelp, and from what I can tell, he might be the only Laotian restaurant in all of California, if not the country. Seriously. Things to expect to see on their menu: lots of meats. We got chicken, ribs, sausages, a beef dip, which is what I'm excited about. Fun fact, did you know that the people of Laos eat more sticky rice than anywhere else in the world? Yeah, they also eat with their hands, and they use the sticky rice to scoop up their food, right? Thanks, buddy. They just take the sticky rice, they form a little spoon with it, dude, and they scoop up their meat and vegetables with it. Probably won't be doing that today, but you could. Sticky rice is very important to those dudes. Anyway, that's where we're going, and I'm very excited about it. But first, let's see Bob. What a good looking ride right there.
I miss California.
You do?
So I forgot how nice people are to motorcycles here.
Oh, yeah. They're trying to kill you everywhere else you go.
Oh yeah, in Boston, they'll literally cut you off if you try to split lanes.
Well, it's an illegal activity there.
Okay.
Oh my god, I sneezed on my helmet. It's the grossest thing ever.
Big fan of the channel.
Thanks, man. I just sneezed. I'm sorry.
Give me a shout. No COVID.
What's your name?
Chris.
Chris, nice to meet you, Chris. Yeah, it's beautiful. The wheels on this are sick.
I've never seen a spoke wheel laced off to the side like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty
That's
cool.
wild.
I hate cleaning spoke wheels, but these, I don't know, man. You got to make an exception, you know.
Yeah. Brand new, huh?
Yeah.
Let's off-road it.
No, let's not do that.
Well, we're gonna get a soda and say what's up to Bob. Would you like anything?
Huh?
Want a soda?
I'm good, man. I just had a Starbucks.
All right. Bob, how are you? Good to see you, sir. What have we got today? More money. Check the. Will you check his cock?
Huh?
Will you check his cock?
Will I?
Yeah.
Dive in. Oh, I don't want to.
Dude, there's always stuff underneath it.
Just check his cock.
Is there something in there?
Maybe.
Don't be weird about it. Just reach in there, grab a
I'll
hold
do
of
it.
it.
I'm a doctor. Does he need a prostate exam, right?
No, that's just weird. That's really weird.
Wait.
What are you doing? No, the cock.
Right here.
What?
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, there's money.
Where do you find these people?
Woo! We got $25
And a crooked
Okay,
sticker?
touche.
and a crooked sticker. Hey, Sub D, love your videos. Lunch is on me, Braylon. Dude, if I had the GSXR, the sticker would definitely go on it.
When it comes back.
Thank you so much. What are you leaving with Bob? Let's see.
Leaving some every single Sunday stickers.
Oh, those are some goodies.
$7.90. So
You ever have cucumber soda before?
I don't even know what a cucumber is.
Can I buy you a cucumber soda?
I'm not sleeping with you.
Okay.
Yeah. It's pretty refreshing at the same time.
Cucumber soda. My friend Tango, the last time we were here, got this frosty green apple, so I'm going to get this for myself. But I promise you, every other time I get that, or this Portuguese soda that's always missing. Later on, Babalo. Definitely not as cool as yours. More primitive, for sure. You can ride it if you want.
Yeah, I'm good, man.
Old Sub D says it tastes all right, so we're gonna try this out.
Now you're either going to love it or hate it.
So the thing about this is, it's a twist off.
Yeah.
But if you got a twist off, you don't get to use your awesome Hard Rock bottle opener.
You just proved that theory wrong.
So refreshing.
It's like summer in a bottle.
If Summer didn't wash herself for a few weeks, this tastes terrible.
Get out of here. Take another sip. You'll like it.
I don't know, it's... What the hell did you do to me? Let's get the pass cam off, see what we can get. Got to let everybody know what everybody thinks about their sodas. So Brappy got a Red Bull, which is amazing. We all know the Red Bulls are amazing. Travis got the cucumber soda. On camera he said he didn't like it, but off camera he said it wasn't bad at all. And I got the green apple. It's just like a melted down apple flavored Jolly Rancher with carbonation to it. It's exactly what I thought it was going to taste like. Laos. I don't know anything about Laos. First time I heard of Laos from a Mel Gibson movie back in the day called Air America. Great movie, great movie. There it is. Crazy Kai's. All right, Crazy K's, Laotian, Laos. What'd you think, man?
Laotian or Laotian? I had like a wiener and some I had a sausage, sorry, and a chicken and a rib and like a barbecue spare rib type
And a
thing.
bag of rice.
And a bag of sticky rice.
What'd you think, man? What was your favorite?
The sticky rice.
You like the sticky rice the best out of everything on your plate?
No, but it went with everything, so that was good. Honestly, I like the little, I think they were called spare ribs or whatever. It's kind of like the Hawaiian barbecue one.
Yeah.
That was pretty good. The chicken was good. The sausage, not so much. It was some weird stuff stuffed in an intestine and not for me.
And everything that you got in front of you, that was about $13. What about you?
Well, I got the sausage. I loved it. I'd give it a 9 out of 10.
9 out of
So
10.
pretty good.
All right, and yours was $11.
$11, yeah.
$11. All right, I got the beef dip. Loved it. Tasted so good. They have the sauce. Sauce makes everything for me, man. I think mine was $10 too. This place is so affordable. I mean, you can't even get a Big Mac combo meal anymore for $10.
I wouldn't pay $2 for a Big Mac combo meal.
Dude, I'll be back. I can't wait to come back, to be honest.
Yeah, it was actually really good. It was different. I enjoy it.
All right, man. Well, good riding with you as usual.
You too, man. Good to meet you.
Yeah, good to meet
Handshake.
you.
All right, all right.
I'll follow you guys to the freeway.
I gotta stop for gas, so you guys can keep going. There was a mobile, like, right there, yeah?
Across the street, I think. Across the intersection. There might be one on this side also.
Okay.